English article practice, beginner friendly. Before we start, here are 4 simple rules. Use a before a consonant sound, like a cat. Use an before a vowel sound, a, e, I, o, u. For example, an apple. Use the when we talk about one specific thing. For example, the sun, the door here. And sometimes we don't need to use any of the article at all. If that's the case, we mark with a dashed. The key tip here is to listen to the sound, not the word. Alright, get a piece of paper ready. Write your answers down. There are a total of 30 questions. At the end of the questions, you'll be able to check your answers. Are you ready? Let's begin! Wow, you're amazing. 15 questions in, you're halfway there. Don't give up. I know you can do it. You did it. You're amazing. I'm so proud of you. Now it's time to check your answers. Alright, how did you do? You can comment your answer below and tell me which grammar or vocabulary practice you would like me to do next. And you can download this article practice that you have just done in PDF format in the link below. Okay, thank you for practicing with me. I'll see you in the next one. Have a good day wherever you are in the world.